Good evening to all. I'm welcoming each one of you to this particular presentation of mine, wherein I'm going to showcase another paper that was published in 2014, as you can see, and this thing has been published in a journal, I think. So this is, or maybe proceedings of a conference. No, International Journal. Okay, it's a journal, Journal of Engineering Research and Technology, and this is the authors are Mrs. Parminder Kaur and Dr. Kamar Parvez Rana. The title of the paper is Comparison of Various Tools for Data Mining. Now, why am I selecting this particular paper? Not, just for the heck of it. However, if you will see that the authors have really proceeded further, I should say, and given us a very lucid introduction about the various tools that are being used for data mining. Now, that is my interest for this particular paper, and then I would be showcasing two more papers. I would say one will not be a paper, one would be a website, and the other one would be the paper itself. Now here, if you will look into it very clearly, they have mentioned that they have proceeded further, I think, with certain tools wherein they are going to use this particular thing. So for example, here they have said very clearly that data mining tools can be classified into one of the three categories. What are they? Traditional data mining tools, then the next one is the dashboards, the next one is the test mining tools. Now if you remember my video on the mind maps, wherein I have showcased, now my diversification of the various algorithms were totally different for the data mining tool. Here they're talking about the traditional data mining. So here they have given you the complete history as to how the data mining tools were developed and introduced into the market. Then they discussed about the dashboards and the text mining tools also. Now I'm not interested into these things. However, let me showcase a certain, I would say, the tables that have been showcased through these authors in their paper. Now that is where I'm going to, yes, here we are coming. Here you will see, the first of all they have discussed, which I really liked it, is the evolution of the data mining. This is something that I would really liked it out here. And you will see progress is in 1960 they were talking about the data gathering, and this was taken care by tapes or the computers. I do remember the paper by Alan Turing. Being a student of philosophy of mind, I don't know how many times I have to read that particular paper. So 1960, and the features are use of static data. Now, this is surprising for me. Problem in large storage area was the one. Second is data processor in data processing, that is in 1980. So you can see the gap from 1960 to 1980. The technology is RDBMS or DBMS. In fact, they should have started off with SQL, then DBMS, then comes the RDDMS. It goes like that actually. And then the features are dynamic data at the record levels and easy access. Then next in 1990, that is after 10 years, you can see the gap also here. Data warehousing and decision making support, DSMS, have come in, and these are the technology, and they have given the further. I'm not interested. After that, data mining, which is still running, it has not yet ended. Advanced algorithm, big databases. Now here, if you will see, there is no mention about of what I call it as the algorithms at all, though algorithms are existing in the mathematical domain. However, in technology, I think that's where the contribution has come in for the data mining. Then you can see the features. Okay, this I'm not interested again. Now apart from that, here comes another table, wherein they are discussing about the initial products, though these are not the entire thing. SAS Enterprise Miner, this is the first one. Then they are talking about SPSS, where they're saying that, now have a look, I haven't seen anywhere, this is the paper. It comes from statistics, include among others decision tree mining algorithms. Now this is something which is interesting for me. Then comes allows users to perform data cleansing and data. Obviously, the data cleaning processes has been showcased to us by Neeraj sir continuously through Excel or the SPSS. So I am not doubting about it. Then comes what we call it as the number 3, IBM Intelligent Miner. Okay, now it comes from the database field, features advanced visualization compatible with these ones also. Now let's proceed. So they have given you very good historical journey for various things, which you can go ahead and you can understand how these ones, that the products that are present. For example, you have got Microsoft SQL Server. Now, they are talking about algorithms for the decision trees are there. Then if you look from 2005, again, the repetition is there for us for prediction and clustering they are discussing. Then after that, they are talking about Oracle data mining again. After that, okay, here Oracle data mining is focusing on what they are calling as algorithms such as association and naive bias. Okay, so these are the one. Then with Angos Knowledge Studio, which is present, they are again talking about algorithms for building decision trees, cluster analysis and predictive models out here. So again, you can see the differences. The moment we reach to KXEN, that's the name of the product, they are saying that algorithms for regression time series analysis, we will talk a lot about classification. These things have been taken care. Now see, I am not only looking at the products that they are talking about, I am also looking exclusively for the data mining techniques that has been showcased by them. Now these are some of the they have said some of the, no, I don't know SAS is free or not, however they have mentioned it's a free data mining tools available. Now some now they are talking about what we call it as the standalone applications. Now first and foremost, they are talking about, I would say, Tanagra out here. So under the standalone application Tanagra, which again, as I told you, is a data mining software for academic and research purposes, you should definitely, and I would be very soon introducing this one also to each one of you. Then comes after Tanagra, Rapid Miner, which I told you is something that they are using continuously for the data mining purposes. And here they have discussed a lot about Rapid Miner, and in fact I should also start introducing it. Rapid Miner for analytical ETL, we will see what ETLs are and how engineers are using it. The fourth one that they're talking about is Weka, which I have I have already discussed and introduced it as a playlist also. Then comes, instead of PSPSS, it is PSPP, and we all know what it means and how PSPP changed to SPSS. That's a story and we all are aware of it. Next for me is important one is NIME. As I told you, yes, one should, because it is not only user friendly, however data access, data transformation, then it is moving to predictive analytics and lot of helpful for your qualitative analysis. I would always say that yes, if you have lots of patience and if you are a serious researcher in qualitative analysis, please proceed further. Orange is another area where Python and a lot of visualizations, everything has been taken care of. Apache Mahout is one more free implementation with Hadoop. Now, Hadoop is another concept in big data analysis. Maybe later on, I'll discuss about what exactly do we mean by big data analysis and how these things are coming in. Now, even further, they have talked about JWork or JHEP work. This is another data mining tool which is available exclusively for the scientists, engineers, and for the domain of pure sciences, I would say. Rattle, the R analytical tool for learning easily, is one more area that focuses exclusively on the data mining. And we will see, apart from our studios, how we can use this thing also. Now, later on, they have discussed about the various uses of the data mining that I'm not interested. I was more interested in sharing these tools which are available exclusively and the evolution of the data mining. So I think I'm going to stop here right now and introduce yet another paper wherein they are discussing about the contemporary tools which are available for the data mining. Till then, thank you for watching it. Have a great day. Bye.